Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super delicious loaded baked potato salad. Before we get into today's video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload. So this recipe is super simple, and it's just like making a loaded baked potato. So I've got some red potatoes, and I am cutting them up into bite-sized pieces, just roughly. We're going to boil these, so you want to make sure that they're about the same size so that they cook pretty evenly. You want them to be about that size. It's about an inch cube. And as far as potatoes go, you can use really any kind of potato as long as the skin is really thin. If you're wanting to use like a russet potato, you're going to want to peel it. But you don't have to peel it if it's like a red potato or a gold potato or like a fingerling potato. Because the skin is thin enough to eat. You can eat the skin off of a russet potato as well. It's just a little tougher, that's all. So that part's really up to you. You just need to use about 4 pounds. And this recipe is really great because you can kind of eyeball what you need to put in there. So like I didn't use any measuring cups with this just because, I know about how much a cup is. And if you wanted to change any of the ingredients, like say you don't like green onions on your baked potatoes, or maybe you like something else on your baked potatoes, you could make this any way you wanted to. You could leave things out, you could add things in. It's truly up to you. So I've got some green onions, and I'm just going to chop up. This is about 1 bunch. I'm just cutting until I get down to the whites. And if you want to, you can save those green onions. Just put them in a little cup of water by a window, and they will regrow. So, but the potatoes are done. I'm just going to mash them just a little bit. You don't want mashed potatoes, but you do want to kind of rough up the potatoes a little bit so that things stick to them better. If the potatoes have I don't know what it's called, but like the surface is a little roughed up, like almost like frayed edges, then things are going to stick to it better. And that's what you want with a potato salad. And you just want to mash up any of the bigger pieces so that everything is roughly bite size. So I'm adding my green onions because they were right there on my cutting board. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and about a cup of mayonnaise. And about 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, and about 2 cups of cheese. And you can measure the cheese with your heart. Now, I know this seems weird. Sugar seems like a strange ingredient to add, but just trust me, just add a little sugar. Sugar makes everything taste better, I promise. Some salt and some pepper. And now I've got some bacon that I have cooked until it's pretty crispy, and I'm just chopping that up. And again, you can leave out things if you want to. If you don't want to add bacon, you don't have to. I'm just adding that, and then I am going to mix that up. And during this part of the mixing process, you want to be kind of gentle. You want to mix it up, but you don't really want to further mash anything. Just so that you actually have potato salad and not mashed potatoes. And once that is all done, you probably want to put it in the fridge to cool off, but it is ready to eat. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.